Hey, hi, Angel here, coming at you from my car. Just wanted to remind you that what other people think of you is not who you are. And often I think we get caught up in our perception of other people's perception of us and thinking that that is really who we are. But the truth is that you are creating yourself all the time, and you can either let yourself spiral into someone else's vision of you or your version of someone else's vision of you, or you can make yourself into who you want to be. And it takes getting to know yourself, and it takes getting to love yourself, and it takes getting to forgive yourself, and it takes accepting yourself and also pushing yourself, and paying too much attention to what other people think of you or thinking too much about how other people are perceiving you or trying too hard to make other people like you is a sure way to not have enough energy left to become the person that you want to be, because it takes energy and you only have a limited amount of energy. So you want to be sure you're spending your energy on in the direction that you want, on the things that you love, developing yourself into the person that you want to be, or being helpful to the people who are important to you, giving your energy to the causes that are important to you or that you want to see excel. And I think very often we end up giving a lot of our energy to what we don't want, a lot of our energy to relationships that are making us unhappy, a lot of our energy to trying to make other people say that they perceive us or give us certain signals that they perceive us in a certain way, when all that does is get in the way of becoming the real people that we want to be, the real person that you want to be. So I encourage you to bloom into the person that you want to be fully, and fuck what anybody else says. And I don't mean that hostilely, I mean that empoweringly. Like, don't let other people's shortcoming, other people's short-sightedness, other people's limited beliefs keep you from expanding, keep you from blooming into your full, true, best self. That's my 2 cents for right now. Till next time, peace, prosperity, positivity, and potential.